The year was 2015. I was on the top of my high school's food chain as one of the most popular students in my school. That year, I was enjoying YouTube's success, and it appeared that I was on my way to instant stardom, and then some. And then all of a sudden, graduation happened, and so did my first year of college. That was a little less than par. My recognition and YouTube channel declined as a result. My once promising rise to stardom has turned into an era of rebuilding for me. But around that time, a new calling was starting to take effect just a year or two later. My experience with dating and seeing other relationships were starting to take a toll on me. Social media wasn't going away anytime soon as it was supposed to. That new calling was starting to bring back everything I hated when I was a kid, like watching House when I was younger, my crushes getting taken with no sign of getting back on the dating pool anytime soon, Gen Z starts ticking over, my least favorite teams and athletes dominating, kidnapped love interests, and the fear of going through the rest of my life without being known for something. All of that led to the question, what if there was a sci-fi medical drama twist on the damsel in distress cliche? I wrote down my answer on a 36-slide PowerPoint presentation during my first year at SUU, and it's been a fun hobby during the rebuilding summer of 2016, and also during my time off and my downtime too, so let's not forget that. It was formatted as a story as I have always wrote them in the past, as opposed to just going the old-fashioned way and putting it on the Word document, which I didn't do until I met with Todd Peterson in the Ed Center. So I put everything I wrote down into the Word document and then added more to meet the 25,000 word limit, and maybe even more than that. Simple as that. Show, don't tell, never felt so great in my life. After I completed the process, my book was waiting for me, as well as the next step towards having it adapted into a movie or a show on Netflix or Hulu or Amazon Prime, you name it. And now the next step is waiting for me, getting it adapted and achieving something that I've wanted to do ever since I was a kid. Gotta trust the process.